Hey guys. Oh shit, I need one of those like driving vlog camera things. I'm gonna try to find a decent spot to go. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. And this is what is happening to my face right now because of pregnancy. But this is also what's happening because of pregnancy. I'm just so hungry. So I made chicken salad sandwiches. We went to Co-op. We grabbed cheddar jalapeno buns. Oh, I'm wearing my mom's shirt that I stole from her. Do you have a shirt in here at all?
No.
Sweater?
No.
I can't go in wearing this.
You don't have a sweater?
No. I'm wearing my sweater as a shirt.
You don't have a shirt underneath?
No.
Well, I guess we'll go back. At least we didn't get too far.
Just went in and grabbed me a t-shirt of yours. A jalapeno cheddar bun. The chicken salad from Co-op as well. And they put like celery and mayo in it. But then I added that it's like a broccoli salad thing with like cranberries, onions, broccoli.
No, it's raisins.
Is it raisins?
Yeah.
I'm kind of disappointed now. I thought it was off. It wasn't cranberry, you know. Okay, whatever. Raisins.
It tastes the same.
Nuts. No, it doesn't taste the same. And I added some shredded cheese. So we're going to devour this while we're supposed to be picking up the kids. Keep on fucking forgetting shit everywhere. Grab the ginger ale! Grab the ginger ale! Put that down for drink. We added salt and pepper to it as well. It would be messy, so I brought this. So good. It's got like a little nuts in it or something. That I could do without. But rarely taste them. Try to keep some modesty. I wake up starving at like 6 o'clock in the morning. It wakes me up the starving feeling. So I eat and have my coffee and then I'm starving again. There. I'm gonna fix my bun now. My hair done flopped. It's a 2 liter of ginger ale. Oh my god, this sandwich is so good. I'm liking that the morning sickness is starting to kind of dwindle, and baby's like allowing me to kind of eat what I want to eat now instead of making me sick. And just letting me get sick later, you know. Though there's a lot of celery because there's celery in the chicken salad already, and then there's celery in the broccoli salad. So that could be less too, but so much construction.
Well, that just literally went up.
Yeah. We were just here. There was no construction. Me too. Pop's fizzies hurt my throat. It's like the fizziness is like a little stinging sensation. These guys are working so hard. Sorry if you can hear the wind. Morgan's got his window open. Oh, so good. Delicious. Isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
You want a bite of mine, don't you?
No, I'm good. You have too much chicken salad on there for me.
No such thing. mums to get the children home. My big man hands won't let me grab it. Don't hate me. I lost the lid to the pop.
Don't spill it in here.
I plan on doing that. That was my plan all along, so. Excuse me. I have no napkins. I have nothing. Look, I'm fixing my head. That's what you get. Sorry if this video is not exciting, but it's exciting for me. The chicken salad from Co-op is fucking amazing. Nom nom. Can we name our child chicken salad?
No.
Broccoli salad?
No.
It's so good. They're just not even here.
You guys, this parent got.
Can you try to get the lid from down there? Okay, guys. I'm gonna go grab those kids. I'll make another video in a little bit. Love you, stay sexy. Hurry up the chicken salad. Don't forget to like and subscribe.